Hey guys, Firmoo Day 2025 is here and this calls for a big celebration. Here is another opportunity for you to get your glasses at affordable prices. Before I talk more about that, I would love us to unbox this package together. As you can see, it has not been unboxed yet. This package came from Firmoo and this is the second time they are sending me a package like this. This time around, not just a pair of glasses, but two pairs of glasses. Yeah, you heard me right. Two pairs of glasses. So let's jump into the unboxing. Firmoo has nice packaging, just as you can see. It is very durable and unique. The pouch can help protect your glasses, and at the same time you can also use it to clean the lenses. Let's take a look at the second one, and inside it we have these. So that first flyer talks about you getting 30% off block light blocking lenses, and the code is digital. Note, this code is only valid on firmoo.com. This particular one talks about you getting 50% off frames, and the code is 50next. This ends June 30th, 2025. So you need to scan to shop your next frames. The last one there is the Firmoo gift card. Best gift for best friends, and you get your first order discount. 50% off frames, and this also ends June 30th, 2025. With Firmoo, you define your look. I can't wait to try them on. Just take a look at this one. I love the frame so much. It's so cool. And somehow it goes with my top, right? Okay, so let's try it. Wow. This is giving a rich anti-vibe. What do you think, guys? Take a look at the second one. Take a close look at it. Just look at the frame. See, when it comes to quality glasses, I give it to Firmoo. Honestly, I give it to them. They know how to make good glasses. Just tell them what you want and you will get exactly that thing. I selected this and they gave me exactly what I wanted. Let me try this on. Wow. You know, I love simplicity and I went for something like this. Glasses like this don't easily go out of fashion. It's just cool. Everything about it is beautiful. You too can get something like this or even better from Firmoo at affordable prices. Honestly, if I'm to choose glasses, I would choose Firmoo over and over again. Which do you prefer? This or this? For me, I love the two. They are both cool. So if I were you, I would place my order quickly before they are gone. And don't forget that you have 70% off the frames and 20% off the lenses. And you also get your order within 7 to 14 days of ordering them. Thanks so much, Firmoo, and thanks so much for watching.